Good morning, children. Yesterday we have seen better some word problems on LCM. So let's see some more problems on LCM. Find the smallest three-digit number. Which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. 6, 8 and 12. Okay, so children, what to do? You have to find the smallest three-digit number. So actually, what is the smallest three-digit number? It is 100. But it is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Okay. So 100 is completely divisible by 6, 8 and 12? No. So you have to find the another smallest three-digit number which is exactly 6, 8, 12. So that means what? You have to find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. Okay. So list. Okay. 6, 8 and 12. All are the even numbers. So we will start it by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Again we will take 2, write down 3 as it is 1 because 3 is not divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 3, 2 1s are 2, 3. And 3 1s are 3. Okay, so LCM is what? Multiply all these factors into 1 2 3 3 times 2 and 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Okay, so what is the LCM of 6, 8 and 12? It is 24. Okay, so let's see. Smallest three-digit number is 100. Okay, so we find that three-digit number is 100. So here we will divide this 100 by 24. Okay, so 24 4s are 96. And 4 is left. Got it, beta? So when you divide the smallest three-digit number 100 by the LCM of 6, 8, 12, you get remainder 4. Okay. The smallest number, therefore, the smallest three-digit number exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Is what? Actually, actual smallest three-digit number is 100 plus their LCM 24 and the remainder 4. Means 100 plus 24 minus 4 is 20 and 100 plus 20 is 120. Okay, so 120 is the smallest three-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. What is beta? So let's see the another question. 120. Okay. And question number 2 is quite lengthy. See the question. In a morning walk, 3 persons step off together. Their steps measure 80 centimeters, 70 centimeters, and 75 centimeters, respectively. What is the minimum distance? Yes, the word comes minimum. Each should walk so that all can cover the same distance in a complete step. Okay. So I am writing these questions in short. Seventy centimeter and 75 centimeter respectively. Okay. What is the minimum distance it should walk so that all can cover the same distance? So that all can cover the same in complete state. So got it, better? 3 persons walk together. Okay, and their steps. One's first step is 80 centimeter, another 70 centimeter, and third one is 75 centimeter. Yeah? The distance between 2 feet. Okay, so you have to find the minimum steps distance so that each can cover to complete same distance. Okay, so that means what minimum what, see children, minimum what comes means again you have to find the LCM of 80, 70 and 75 centimeter. All are the even. So 40, 35 and write down the 75 as it is. Again we will 20, 35, 75. 10, 35, 75. 2, 5, 35, 75. Okay, we will take another prime 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 5, 25. 1, 7, 5. Okay, now next is 5, 1, 7, 5 and another is 7, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So what is the LCM? You have to multiply all this 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2. 3 times 5. And 1 time 7. So multiply all. 2 is 4 to 8, 2 is 16, 16, 5 is so it is what beta? 8400 centimeter. It is what 8400 centimeter means 8400 centimeter. So we will convert it into meter. So how many centimeters make 1 meter? Yes, 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. So we will divide this number by 100. So we will get 84 meter. So after 84 meter, again they will steps off together. Got it, children? Yes. So let's try one more example on this. First question. 3 bells ringing continuously at interval continuously at intervals of 30, 36 and 45 minutes respectively. 30, 36 and 45 minutes respectively. At what time will they ring together again? If they ring simultaneously at 8 a.m., at what time? They ring together. Again. If they ring in simultaneously, and we now see beta, what is the question? 3 bells. Okay. And they're ringing. First bell is ringing 30 minutes. That after 30 minutes, another bell is ringing. And after the 36 minutes, the third one is ringing. And after the 45 minutes, again, first is ringing. So if they all ringing together, so first they all ringing together at 8 a.m. So after what time they again ringing together simultaneously. Okay. And their time intervals are given 30, first 30, then 36 and 45. So these are the time intervals are given for these 3 rings. Okay. So minimum at what time means you have to find the LCM. So here we will find the LCM. (40, 36 and 45. See, these two are the even numbers. So we will start 2 15s are 30, 18s are 36 and write down 45 as it is. 45 is an odd number. Again 18 is the even. 2 15s are, 2 9s are and 2 45s are. Okay. Now see beta, all are the odd numbers. So we will take the next prime number, that is 3. 3 5s are, 3 3s are and 3 15s are. Again 3 5, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Okay. So let's find the LCM. Two times 2, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 5s are 180. So LCM is 180. So what is this 180? 180 minutes. So if they ringing at 8 a.m. so next they will ring again at after 180 minutes. So after 180 minutes means what beta? it is given 180 minutes means how many hours? 6 3s are 18. 18 hours. That is 3 hours. So after 3 hours, again these 3 rings ringing together. So but after 3 hours, what is the time? So 8 plus 3 hours. Therefore, the bells ring together again at, see, 8 plus 3, 8 a.m. plus 3 r is equal to 11 a.m. Okay, same type of questions on signals we have solved yesterday. Okay. So our time is over, beta. AM, it is AM. So bye bye children.